Hi, I am Elise Moneypenny. I am a student athlete here at Purdue Fort Wayne, and I play softball. As you can see, this was me in a game this past fall, but I am primarily a catcher, and my secondary position is third base. I started 8 years ago, which is pretty late. Normally, people start when they're 8 years old, but I started when I was 10, so the 2 year gap doesn't seem like it would make a lot of struggle for people, but it actually slowed me down a little bit in my process of gaining softball knowledge. However, I did pretty well since I am here at a Division I program, but I am a freshman, which helped me complete my lifelong goal of starting as a freshman. Um, I played third this semester, and my current major is I am a middle school education major with concentrations in social studies and mathematics. My goal after graduation is to become hopefully a middle school social studies teacher, and I would like to coach either at the high school that my middle school is a feeder program for, or for a summer travel ball team, which is in other words, a select team of girls that go and travel around the country to play softball to in hopes to be recruited by a college. Um, I mainly just know that I've always loved helping people and I've always loved tutoring and things like that. So teaching came very naturally to me, and obviously I'd like to stick around softball for as long as I can. But yeah, that is me, and I'm excited for this semester.